Claim denied.
Oh no!
2 words that can shake your sense of security. Welcome to our channel. Today we're exposing the traps that might lead to your home insurance claim hitting a roadblock. Filing a claim doesn't guarantee a smooth ride. Claim denial can be exasperating, especially your home may be your largest asset. The average cost of a home insurance in the US is $1,710 per year for a $350,000 dwelling limit with a $500 deductible, according to Forbes analysis. I will link the article below. Your home insurance costs will vary depending on the deductible that you choose and other factors that, for example, the state you live in. Oklahoma is the most expensive state for home insurance with an average cost of $5,370 a year. I was surprised to learn this. I was sure it would have been Florida. Hawaii is the cheapest state for home insurance at only $582 a year on average. Severe weather is one of the biggest factors in the difference between average home insurance rates by state. You know, inflation isn't confined to gas and groceries. Your homeowner's insurance rates are on the rise too. The increasing costs of repairing and rebuilding homes post-damage are driving this surge. Brace yourself for a potentially higher homeowner's premium. Let's ensure your claims are always improved. Let's explore the reasons you could face denial and how to proactively prevent it. Reason 1, underinsurance. Picture this, you undervalue your home and its contents. Your coverage falls short, leading to a denied or reduced claim. For instance, you estimate your home's worth at $300,000, but it's actually valued at $400,000. Maybe you did an extension or a remodel and didn't inform your insurance agent. That's a $100,000 gap, could mean trouble when you file a claim. Make sure to inform your agent of any updates to your home. Reason 2, lack of maintenance. Regular upkeep is vital. Neglecting your property can be a red flag for claim denial. Imagine a roof leak due to neglected repairs. Your claim might be dismissed because the damage could have been prevented with proper maintenance. Reason 3, water damage exclusion. Water damage claims often get the cold shoulder. Let's say a burst pipe floods your home, but your policy excludes certain types of water damage. Understanding your coverage and taking preventive steps like insulating pipes in winter can save you from a denied claim. Reason 4, delayed reporting. Timing is everything. Failing to report a claim properly and it might be a deal breaker. For example, if your roof gets damaged in a storm, but you wait weeks to inform the insurer, they may question the extent of the damage and deny your claim. Reason 5, inadequate documentation. Now, imagine a fire damages your home. Without a detailed inventory and photos of your possessions and receipts, your claim might be in jeopardy. Documenting your belongings helps the insurance company assess the loss accurately. If you follow my channel, you know I share how important it is to create a digital home inventory. Creating a digital home inventory ensures your information is safely stored in the cloud and you can access it anywhere. Remember, policies differ, so study yours thoroughly. By navigating these pitfalls and taking a proactive stance, you can sidestep the heartbreak of a denied insurance claim. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button and you'll want to watch this video next.